Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss the topic, namely, during divorce time, what property must be given to a Muslim woman. Based on the Muslim Woman Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986, a divorced woman shall be entitled to a reasonable and fair provision and maintenance to be made and paid to her within the iddat period by her former husband. It means about 3 months from the divorce time. Former husband has to pay the reasonable amount for the maintenance. Secondly, where she herself maintains the children born to before or after the divorce, a reasonable and fair provision and maintenance to be made and paid by her former husband for a period of 2 years from the respective date of birth of such children. It means before or after the divorce. If any child born, then the former husband has to pay the reasonable amount for the nurturing of that child for 2 years from the respective date of birth of such child. Thirdly, an amount equal to the sum of meher or dower agreed to be paid to her at the time of her marriage or at any time thereafter. So, the amount in the form of meher that husband has promised during the marriage time. If he didn't pay by the time, then after divorce he has to pay that amount. Fourthly, all the properties given to her before or at the time of marriage or after the marriage by her relatives or friends or the husband or any relatives of the husband or his friends. It means whatever property, whether it is cash, jewelry, gift, immovable property, anything, whatever a bride received before, during, and after her marriage, her former husband to return back all those properties or any such property that her former husband owes to pay her, he has to pay. So, this is all about the property that must be given to a Muslim woman during divorce time.